We're on site today at Soho, Hawksburn Village, with the team at CoBuild working away, and there's only limited apartments remaining. We've just released a half floor sprawling across 289 square metres. And for the last lucky buyers, make sure you get in there nice and quick to avoid the fear of missing out.
My name's Paul Gavoni from the team of First Melbourne Developments. We're the developers of this wonderful project, Soho Hawksburn in Malvern Road, Paran. Progress is fantastic. We're back 100% on site. Construction is moving very well. Next week we're pouring level 4. By Christmas, all the structure will be up and works will push ahead. So we're very excited.